Hello, today we will discuss how real numbers are added and multiplied. So we have to write a C program for addition of two real numbers and multiplication of these numbers and display the result of sum and multiplication of the two real numbers. So as discussed in the previous two examples for the addition of two integer and multiplication of two integer numbers. First we have to run the Turbo C++ compiler by clicking the icon on the desktop of the C++ Turbo C compiler. So when compiler is clicked on, a window as seen in the screen is displayed. So this is the screen of the Turbo C++ compiler. Now to open a file where we enter the code, we click the file menu whereby drop down menu appears, and from here we click the new. But to save the time, we already have entered the code in a file, so we will try to open that file. So from the list of the C files here, experiment1a.c, experiment1b.c, experiment1.c. So two experiments we already have discussed. So in the third experiment, experiment1.c, let us open this one, where the code for the addition of two real numbers and two multiplication numbers are entered or written. So I seen in this file, first two statements are written just to include the two header files, standard input output.h and conio.h, by using the hash include preprocessor directive. These files are needed in our code as we are using functions that are stored in this file. So in our code, in open and close brace of the main function, float a comma b comma sum comma mul semicolon. This statement declares the four float variable for is, and out of these four float variables, a and b are declared to store the two real numbers entered by the user. Sum and mul are declared just to declare the for storing the sum and multiplication of the two real numbers. The next statement, clear screen. This clears anything previously written on the output screen. Then printf statement, enter two real numbers. Here generally we write the printf statement before scanf statement to take the data from the user, because when scanf function is executed, cursor blinks on the output screen. So for what should be the response from the user? For that one, we write a printf statement before scanf statement just to print a message for the user on the output screen. So enter two real numbers. When user reads this message, he or she enters the two real numbers. So those two real numbers are taken in by the scanf function and stored with the variable a and b. Then next statement, sum equal to a plus b semicolon, adds the two real number stored by a and b, and their addition is assigned to the left side variable sum. In a similar way, mul equal a into b semicolon, multiply the two real number contained in variable a and b, and their multiplication is stored with the left side variable mul. Now, using the next two printf statement, we display the addition as well as multiplication of two real numbers. So first printf statement, addition of two real numbers equal percentage point 2f. Percentage f is used to display the real data, and here before f 0.2 is written. So 0.2 is just to display, we want to display two digits after a decimal point, because default digit number after decimal points are 6. So instead of displaying the 6, if we write here 0.2, then only two digits after decimal point are displayed. So at this format specifier, value of sum is displayed, and then /n, new line character. This character bring the cursor in the beginning of the next line, where multiplication of two real numbers equals. So again at the format specifier percentage point 2f, value of mul is displayed. So next statement is get ch, that holds the output screen where we see the response or also see the output of the program. Then return 0 statement tells operating system that program is executed properly. So when we run this program, before running the program, we compile that one to check if any information, any bug is present in the code. So we click the compile menu, and from the drop down menu again select the compile. So when it is clicked, compiling window is displayed, and in this compiling window we see that no warning and no error is present. Now we can run the program by clicking the run menu, and again from the drop down menu we select the run option. So when we click the run option, enter two real numbers. So this message is displayed. Just observing this message, because here we see that cursor is blinking. Cursor blinks only due to the scanf function. So if this message is not present, what should be done? It is not clear. That's why before any scan function, printf function is written just to display some message. So here we see that we have to enter two real numbers. Suppose first real number is 12.3 and second real number is 21.4. Now if we press the enter key, then addition of two real numbers equal 33.70 and multiplication of two real numbers equal to 263.22 are displayed. To go to the coding screen, we press the enter key, because this output screen is held by get cs function. So unless and until we press any key, we can't go to the coding screen. So press enter key. Now we are in the coding screen. So we compile and run this program without any bug. Suppose when you first time write the code, some bug may be present. So if we let us introduce some bug in this one. Suppose here we are not declaring the mul, because here we are using the mul equal to a into b, a star b, to store the multiplication of two real numbers. And if this variable is not declared before using this one, then if we compile this one, then here in the compiling window we see that there is a warning as well as a warning is 0 but error is 1. So if we click the mouse here, so what is the bug or error present, that is displayed in the message window. And here we see that in 10th line, that is 10th statement, undefined symbol null. So here this null is undefined. We have not defined previously before using this one. So that's why a compiler error message is displayed. Now we have to remove this one by declaring the null variable. So null is now declared. So if we compile again here, then we see that error is removed. Now we can run the program. Let us run the program. So enter two real numbers. We enter two real numbers, 0.1 and 23.5. And when we press the enter key, addition of two real numbers as well as multiplication of two real numbers are displayed. Now press the enter key, that brings us to the coding window. So in this way, in this program we discuss how the real numbers are taken in from the user and added, multiplied and results are displayed. So till next period, bye and have a nice day.